An investment in education always pays the highest return. A very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my dear students. Be safe and be happy at your place. I am your Shreema ma'am with one more new video with a new topic on area and perimeter. Yes, this video is specially for class 4th. So without wasting much of your time, let's start the video and learn something new. What is area and perimeter? Perimeter means boundary. Let us understand the definition of perimeter. Can you see this beautiful garden? Okay, the border of this garden we can consider or we can understand it's the perimeter, and the space or the area occupied inside the garden is known as area. Okay, perimeter. The distance around a figure is called its perimeter. The distance around a figure is called its perimeter. It's found by adding the length of the side of the figure. I would like to simplify the statement with one simple diagram. So don't go anywhere, keep watching the video. Suppose this is one square. Okay, square field. This is one square field. Whatever the distance around this figure, okay, around this figure will be known as your perimeter. Whatever the distance around this figure, okay, when you add this side, and this side border, when you add all the sides border, the total length is known as the perimeter. Let's see few examples. As we are peculiarly going to be done with the two of the important topic or formula of perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square. Perimeter of rectangle. As we all know, rectangles to opposite sides are equal. If suppose this one is a length, then this side is also a length. If this one is a breadth, then this side is also breadth. As from first chapter onwards, we are studying the opposite sides of rectangle is always equal. Rectangle is also known as a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a four-sided shape. Okay, so we can find the perimeter by adding all the borders, all the boundary. Correct? Let me add length plus length plus length plus breadth. Okay, then plus breadth. Here if you can see, we are having 2L. So writing L plus L, instead of that we can use the shortcut method that is known as a multiplication, and we can write it into the form of 2L. B plus B, it can be again written in the same way by shortcut method 2B. If you now try to find a common thing in this 2L and 2B, that is 2. So let's write the 2 outside, put a bracket, L and B inside. L plus B will be inside. So this is our formula for finding the perimeter of rectangle. Here you can see the formula for finding the perimeter of rectangle. Okay, it explains that 2 times A plus B. A means length plus breadth. Okay, whatever your length and breadth is there, by adding it you can multiply by 2. That is what the perimeter of your rectangle. Just let's take an example. The rectangle is 2 cm long and 5 cm tall. What is its perimeter? So what I will do, length is 12 cm. Let me keep here 12 cm plus 5 cm. It gives 17 cm. 17 multiplied by 2, it will give you 34 cm. So the perimeter of a given rectangle is 34 cm. Let's move forward with the next. So the border, always keep in mind, whatever the border is there, this farm, many of you have farm at your home. You know, your parents are putting a boundary outside, the wiring boundary outside of your farm, okay, covering the farm. Why? To form a perimeter or to form a border, so they can protect their farms crops from other wild animals. And whatever the crops they are cultivating inside is considered as an area. Example of finding the perimeter of a rectangle. The two sides of the rectangle are given. What will be the perimeter of a rectangle? Okay, this side the length means the long one, and this is a breadth. If this is 5 centimeter, then obviously this will be also 5 centimeter. If this is 2 centimeter, then obviously this will be also 2 centimeter. Now let's take or recollect the formula. What is the formula for finding the area of perimeter? That is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, L plus B. Okay, here L means length and B means breadth. Okay, so L is given 5 centimeter, 5 plus 2, it is 7 centimeter, correct? If I am not wrong with the calculations, then 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 multiplied by 2, it will give you 14 centimeter, correct? So my dear student, table is very must. If you know the tables, your calculations become very easy. Please keep on learning the table. So the perimeter of this rectangle field is 14 centimeter. Now let's look forward to the next question. Area, my God, as we had learned about the perimeter, we will talk about area. But before that, let me ask you whether you will able to find the perimeter of a square. Can you use your brain? Just I will give you hint and you can try the same at your home. Okay. As we know, square is having all the sides same. When we are talking about the perimeter of a square, when all the sides are same, suppose this is also same, this is also same, okay, this is also same. So for finding the perimeter of a square, what we can do? We can do 4 multiply by side. I hope you people understood why I did 4 multiply by side. Instead of repeatedly adding any same number, we can use the shortcut method, that is 4 multiply by side. How many times the side is getting repeated? 4 times. So the 4 times will be front multiply by side. This is the formula for the perimeter of a square. Okay. Now we will see and look forward with area. Area, it means space covered inside. Okay, just consider this soft board which which we are decorating in our school. Whatever the area is considered or occupying the space, okay, that is known as an area. When we put the chart, okay, so that chart occupies the space inside our soft board, so that is known as an area. And the whatever the borders we are using to decorate the border of the soft board, that is what our perimeter. Area of a rectangle. Area is like always you can calculate. How you can calculate? The formula for finding the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Always keep in mind, when you talk about area, it is inside, and when we are talking about perimeter, it is side border. Okay, and area for square is side into side. Okay, it is side into side. There are 4 formulas just which will help you out to go through all the text questions. Okay, so this is the area of your rectangle. If I am talking, okay, this is area of a rectangle, and this one is your area of a square. Now let's see a simple activity questions which may help you to understand more properly how to find area and perimeter. Okay, the measure of the region inside a plane figure is called area. Inside a plane figure, this is your plane figure, whatever be the area inside it is known as area. Okay, now area and perimeter, all these are we are measuring the length. Okay, so the unit used for measuring the length is like centimeter, meter, fine, decimeter, fine, kilometer. Okay, now when you are writing the formula for unit for area, always keep in mind we are writing centimeter square, okay, or square centimeter, this way, meter square or square meter, kilometer square or square kilometer. But when we are writing the unit for perimeter, we are just writing m, meter, we are just writing cm, centimeter, we are just writing kilometer. Okay, now formula for finding the area of a rectangle. This is the length multiplied by breadth. Why I had considered the length? How many this way I can put the things and this way. So always we take in the length and breadth because both are same. So length multiply by breadth. When we are talking about the area of a square, what we had seen? Side into side, because square all the sides are same. So if you have suppose this side as a 3 centimeters, so what you can do? 3 multiply by 3, because all the sides will remain same in square. So 3 multiply by 3, it will be 9 centimeters square. That will be the area of a square. Now with the help of an example we can understand area more properly. Okay, suppose I had given you the graph paper. What I had given you the graph paper, you have to find the area. The shapes all have the same area of 9. It have the same area of 9. Can you see? This is also having the same area of 9. This is also having the same area of 9. This is also having the same. Now you have to learn how to calculate the area. See, 1 centimeter. Suppose consider this all as a 1 centimeter. Okay, so this will become 3 centimeter. Here also the same we can consider 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. It is again 3. Okay, 3 multiplied by 3, it will give you 9. So can you see there are 9 boxes? Same for here also. Okay, first you can calculate this much. 1, 2, 3 and 2. 3 multiplied by 6. So we have 6 over here. Here 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. Total it is 9. Same way for this also. What is the area of this rectangle? If the length is 5 and breadth is 3, very good. The quick answer is 15. 5 multiplied by 3, 15. So my dear student, always keep in mind, if you learn the formulas, if you keep the formulas by hearted, it will be very easy for you to go through the things easily. Okay, the next slide is how to calculate the area in grid or counting the numbers of a square. This type of activities we can do using the graph paper. Okay, if I said let the length be 5 centimeter, you can take your scale and measure the 5 centimeters. So see, there are 5 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and breadth is 3 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 5 multiplied by 3. So can you see there are 15 boxes? This way also we can find the area. Now this is a quiz time for you. Let's have fun, enjoy the quiz. So are you ready to play with me? First question, find the perimeter of the figure. What do you think? What will be the perimeter of the figure? Yes, you are absolutely correct. It's the 20 centimeter. You are absolutely correct about it. So may I know the formula for it? For finding? Yes, this is a picture or shape of a square. So when we have to calculate the perimeter of a square, it is 4 multiplied by 5. So it will give you 20 centimeter. Why? Because all the sides are 5 centimeter. The distance around an object is called the, yes, absolutely correct, that is perimeter. The shape inside an object is called its area. What is the formula for finding the area of a square? Yes, any guesses? Yes, you are absolutely correct, that is side. S multiplied by S, side multiplied by side. Area of a rectangle, it is length multiplied by breadth. My God, I hope all the students, they had enjoyed this video and they will take it in a useful manner to clear their all the doubts. Till that much time, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.